running out of time here, so let's get this shit going. I'm feeling a little bit tired, so hopefully we'll do okay. Let's see, 33 seconds left. Damn, I really got it close today. Hard to wake up. So yesterday, I had a scalp yesterday. I couldn't get my strategy to work. I played ABV, and everything was going well for ABV, except that the opening drive was a little bit low. Based off of my past records, it's tough for a stock that has not gone through a strong enough drive to. Sorry about that, ruined your ears. It's hard for a stock to reach its target if it's had a really low opening drive, and I was a little bit hesitant playing it. I did long scalps on it, and that was the biggest gainer, but I only made around 360 yesterday. I almost fucked myself once yesterday on Roku. I actually got short a little too early during this explosion upwards. I mean, it was... Look how long it's just been in a bid. Just non-stop buying. I got stopped out once here that looked like it was going to roll over. It didn't. If we go down to the 5 minute, it might make more sense. But I caught a second one, and this one dumped, and this was... I had to mark down on my notes that this was complete luck, because I could have fucked up my entire day. But it worked out. Alright, now I need to switch. I'm a little bit behind, so I have to switch to what's going on right now. Is there anything that we want to look at? So AbbVie again is in the right position. Nope, 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 nope. It's always possible that it could explode higher, so maybe I shouldn't ignore it, because that's what happened with Roku yesterday. Roku had that really gnarly sell-off and then broke up and above, but it wasn't opening down there like AbbVie is. Well, now it reversed. Well, we'll have to see. It's gonna have to break up here and then gain a level. Check TPL. Okay, well, I better do that on the daily time frame. So TPL did hold a level. It broke below, bounced, retested, bounced. So now this is good. We had this, we had these lines here when we last talked about it, so exactly what I said needed to happen did happen. I mean, it could also bounce around a little bit, but this is really encouraging that it wants to go higher, so we might actually have the low that we're looking for. Anything can happen, but now we're looking for some type of a retest up here, so maybe something around the 1645 area. I don't know what your average is, but you can see how price action tends to group in specific areas, and that's how you could try to make these projections. It happens enough to where that type of analysis has some merit in order for you to have confidence to enter a trade, and then you just have your stop loss a little bit below that, and hopefully the risk to reward is there, and you just do that over and over and over and over again. Alright, I'm not gonna pay attention to you for a minute or so. I gotta look around to see if there's anything we want. Okay, Google is not moving. We can try to take a look at it, but it's in the same situation as AbbVie was yesterday. Well, not quite. It's not, the ATR is not increasing in Google, so that's not super great. I don't want to have to scalp again today, but maybe we have to. This one is great, but unfortunately it moved too much. Fuck. That's exactly everything here is what we need, except that it's the risk to reward isn't there. We'd have to hope that it goes a little bit more than what we expected. And Nvidia is too expensive at this point. So Uber, we've got a gap up, but everything's good on it, so this is a possibility. Let's upgrade Uber to number 2. We're on the second 5-minute candle. We got 2 more left. We want to go in the first 15-minute close. CELH. Alright, this is getting somewhere. This might actually be better than Uber, because this one isn't as high of a gap up. Alright, so CELH is a new king. Yeah, TPL, that's exactly what I narrated a couple of days ago. CELH. QCOM. At least to get something on NASDAQ so I don't have to get scared because of the delayed data on NYSE stuff. Man, this is an excellent one too, but it's gonna run a little bit too hard maybe. But QCOM's gonna be on the list. Yeah, at least that's on NASDAQ too. Airbnb. Yeah, see, Shop already hit its goal. I'm not gonna do that one. Airbnb. Maybe. Maybe. mRNA. Nope. This has a really bad origin point, so to ask it to keep going from this location on a positive trend, that's not really high likelihood. Might be actually good for a bounce depending on how this gains a level or something. So CELH is the named one, right? CELH. Start getting prepared for it. Man, but that bar just ate really hard into it. So AbbVie, I marked this down because I wanted to see if this was going to be a liquidity grab, and it was. So now we could look for a possible bounce here. I don't want to enter here, but I do want to see if it retraces a little bit. I might just have to do this one on the 5-minute time frame. Hasn't broken above the high of yesterday, but I think that's a hop skip away. Maybe it'll hit the high of yesterday, bounce. It didn't move that much yesterday, so there should be... This is a nice liquidity sweep to get some cheap shares to run it up higher. So there's the high of yesterday. CEO, oh my fucking god. See, that's why you have to wait the 15 minutes, because if that happened on your 15-minute candle, you're fucking shit out of luck. Put away the cat for now. I can always put him back if by request. QCOM. Still could do QCOM. It's a little bit high, but there's Might be able to do something with it. So CELH is fucked. Goodbye. QCOM number 1. AbbVie. Possible. Want to see a bounce. It did break the high of yesterday, so we want to try to anticipate a bounce here to move higher. QCOM. What needs to happen is it needs to break the high here, and then we can try to see if it gets to target. Run another scan here. DWAC, the Trump stock. It's such a young stock that I don't really want to play it. Let's take a look at it anyway. Damn it. Fucking type. God damn it. I remember when this thing was like $10. QCOM is in a difficult situation, though. It has a, negative longer-term trend, another 15-minute. Like, it sold off pretty hard. It's still an uptrend on the daily time frame, but, here, it might fuck around a bit. This looks like one of those things that's gonna break out later in the afternoon, but it might fuck around in the morning. So, AbbVie... possibly number 1, the one that I tried playing yesterday that never went anywhere, but still was my best gainer. And then QCOM, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Running out of time here. Don't know why mRNA keeps coming up, but we'll take a look at it again. mRNA is, well, okay, maybe mRNA was fine, but now it's 60%, so I don't want to do that one. Yep, I forgot that I was looking at the 5-minute time frame on that one when I looked at it. Everything lines up on the 15 for what you want. Google... it's still too low. And then I think Shopify already blew its load. Yeah, it blew its load. 100% of its move already in the first 15 minutes. Is that it? That's all we got today? What's Tesla doing? Let's see if we were missing anything. Tesla's a good mover. Tesla can't do it. But if I have to resort to scalping, we'll use it. Okay, I guess we're sitting here and jerking off. Huh. Okay, let's get ready for AbbVie then. I want this thing to pull back. There's no way that it just launches up like that without a retracement. Maybe that's it. That could be the retracement. We should probably go low size, but we have to wait 3 minutes. Let's stick to the rules. But this looks like we're gonna miss it. QCOM's fucked. Can always reverse. Please give me something else. Baidu? Do I really want the Chinese ADR stock? Well, everything's going well for it. Okay, but it's not moving. It's not in the, it's not perfect, but it's better than... better than most things. Made the low lower than the yesterday's low. Possible revised reversal. Let me look at AbbVie one more time here. I might have my thing too low. Okay, if it gets here, and then we see it break again, or if it just breaks again, we'll go in. MQ is down. Okay, Baidu. 1 minute left, let's see this thing. I don't know if I trust these Chinese stocks, but... Alright. Entered into Baidu, we'll see what happens. There's likely going to be a little bit of a bounce up. And it bounces up, and then... Okay, AbbVie went to a bounce point. Could also play that, too, to the long side. Let's wait to see if it breaks the high. So Baidu, we might go negative for a little bit. We didn't go full size. Maybe we should have. Target down here. Okay, AbbVie failed. Really strong bar here. Could try to... Ecom's fucked. Get out of my life. Well, at least Baidu's on NASDAQ, so we're not getting delayed data for my P&L. Alright, let's watch this thing go against us a little bit. Now comes the hard part, because if we're try trading TPL, yeah, I can't even shit, I wouldn't even get filled on that one. But looks like it's bouncing, so that was a good thing about it. I love it when you call things and they kind of do what you want to do. Okay, AbbVie bounced. That's a pretty damn strong bounce. But if it fails this area here, then that's gonna be bad. And it's on nicey, so this thing's gonna give me bad data. Alright, so both things were in our entry zone. But if it fails this, then we're fucked. I should have waited for a close, I think. Well, let's see. So this is probably going to be a few $100 loss if that doesn't make it through. We have Baidu. I don't want to see Baidu break this. So we got one long, one short. Bruh. Market's a little bit flat. It's down. It's to the downside, but it's mostly flat. But it's made some ridiculous gains over the last few weeks. Thought the fucking thing was popping out, but shit was happening. CELH, huh? What was this doing? Ah, look at that! Son of a fuckhead. Now this one actually hits all criteria. Took a while to do. Abby, still does too. I wish it was outside of the range, but I think this was a liquidity grab, and it'll hit the target today, because yesterday it was a little bit constrained. Baidu, we're losing, but not too bad yet. CELH ran up and hit the high. It's a really good reversal. You want to see it kind of close above here. It's still within a buy period if you want to buy it. I don't think I have enough, I don't have enough, buying power. Holy shit, that's a, novel A-carpet. Give me a minute. Give me a second. I gotta watch something here. Alright, let's, I'm gonna do 100 shares on TPL if I can, and then we'll have a third entry here. Just kind of see, get some better data. I mean, we're having multiple things that all should hit the strategy. We'll get to see which ones fail, and then I can kind of see which ones I want to go for in the future. Alright. Alright. Stop below here. 100 shares on this. This is not much of anything. Target here. So we got 3 things going. Now, Abby did not keep above the high. That's not good for us. Baidu still fucking around. Alright, A-carpet. I think that stocks generally have a value range, which is what you use for day and swing trading. I think that over time what changes is the range when new news comes out, or that positively, negatively impacts the business valuation. Well, by the time you hear about something in the news, it's already too late. It's already been decided by the hedge funds where it's gonna go. But I get what your point is. The news and earnings reports and all that shit really shouldn't matter to a trader, either swing or day trading. Because you can't interpret... You have an interpretation of the news, but the market's going to interpret it differently, and there's so many different angles to look at things, like, oh, forecasted shit is bad, or earnings are bad, but our forecasts are great, or there's a whole bunch of different metrics that they can spin it, and you don't know which one is going to be the one that people are going to really want to look forward to. So the best thing to do is look at the price action itself and see if it's gaining or losing levels. Although when I'm day trading now, I don't really... I'll look at levels when I'm swing trading, but when I'm day trading, I have a different strategy. Unless I'm having to scalp, and then I'll look at levels. But when you're on such a small time frame, it's hard to make the levels make sense, because you're cutting yourself loose too early a lot of the times when I do that. But when I do the daily time frame, or like a swing trade thing, then we look at level. Yeah, fundamentals don't matter, only price. Okay, let's see if CELH kills us. That's a tiny one. We got the big boys in AbbVie and Baidu not doing jack shit. Targets down here on all of them, so I guess we're just gonna sit here and fuck around. That's why I didn't want to stream this stuff anymore, because we're gonna get days like this where we're just fucking each other. There's a giant circle jerk of nothing. And there's nothing for me to do but sit here and take it. Because we have a target, let's honor the target, let's not fuck around. Unless I get up to $500, then I'll start to, I'll really start to think about Maybe I should scale out because I'm actively managing it, but right now we're not anywhere. Nah, Abby's not looking too great anymore. It should have ran to the high. Let's hope it doesn't grab liquidity again. Or it doesn't, hopefully it doesn't roll over. It had such a constrained day yesterday. I like to think that it wants to do one more push-up. It is towards the high, but usually at the high, you're gonna have to see some resistance first, and we don't really see that yet. We don't really see like what we saw in NVIDIA. Like something like that. I mean, it could happen today, we never know, but we didn't get any gap down or anything like that. I guess we kind of did. This is a little tiny thing, but that's not what I'm really talking about. So we're on the mercy of AbbVie and its delayed data. Probably down a couple hundred right now on that. Baidu's the winner so far, barely. I think for the most part, the valuations should be very similar. Long-term fundamentals matter if you're investing, but there's so much of this shit that's automated where they're just being market makers to make sure that shares are liquid, but there's a lot of back and forth bullshit. I mean, unless you're an investor, you shouldn't care about fundamentals. If you see like a structural downturn, like for a really long period of time, then that definitely means that hedge funds aren't interested in it. And if there's something new that looks like it's catastrophic, then you're definitely going to see it on the chart. It's just going to be a massive hemorrhaging. Like what we saw in PayPal, when they did that presentation, they really hyped it up. I mean, that was something that somebody manually, holy fuck, see, they gapped down. I caught it on video when I was on it. I think this might be it. I don't remember. But there was a... This is it. Yeah, okay, this is the day that I was on it. So, coughed up. Gonna try to do a retest, it fails. And then it just fucking dies. Took a few days for it to, do its thing. So let's see here. You have a resistance level here. Man, it tapped it twice. I'm surprised it tapped it that many times. Because that was a really shitty, really shitty thing. The CEO was hyping it up as, this is the next generation of what we're gonna do. And it wasn't, not what the market wanted to hear. So we're up on, well, I think I'm up on AbbVie. Looking better, but it needs to break the high there for me to be comfortable in it. Meanwhile, Baidu is, being a jerk-off. CELH is reversing. So we're still stuck here. And also, Thursdays are my worst, my second worst days, first being Tuesday. So work jerk-off. You didn't get the invite for the work jerk-off? You didn't. You gotta read the memos. Well, shit, are we gonna get stopped out in this fucker? Alright, the only way I'm gonna be able to get an accurate gauge on where I'm at today, let me log in someplace on my browser. Give me a second. I'm sure I'm down a few $100 right now. But we're gonna have good data to see, at least take a look at what went wrong. Yeah, we're not down bad. We're only down $83 right now. We're gonna get stopped out on AbbVie, it looks like, because this thing just got rejected again. Now, usually I had before a tactic where my stop was at the bottom of the 15-minute range, but I wasn't quite confident enough in this thing to do that. But my two worst losses last month that took me out of contention from hitting my goal were because of that type of stop process. I've been trying to change it up a bit. Can you imagine a major corporation have a jerk-off party? Well, when I become a major corporation, if everyone else is into it, we'll put that into the charter. Alright, looking for a, getting stopped out somewhere, and it'll be interesting to come back to this and see where we went wrong. Ideally, that candle should have broken above that high. I guess it didn't. That could be an issue there. I was more looking at the, at a retest here, and it's surviving, but it didn't continue. So this is going to be a stop out here. And it sucks that they did a clearing. So now this is a retest that failed multiple times, so we're just going to wait till it gets stopped out here. So I'll be down $300 or so. That means we can go full size on Baidu if this thing breaks the low of this low. And then CELH was our fun playtime. Looks like we're gonna die off here. You know, this thing's probably gonna bounce off the 20-period moving average. I only have 100 shares. Let's see what happens if I put this on the bottom here. It's just gonna be play money. But this swing, I can't let it go to the bottom. Looking at a loss today. But it's still early, we're not seeing movements here. I'm gonna lose to the long side, and I'm gonna lose to the short side. Motherfuckers. You can see, having major corporate offers and making close optional. Sex is also allowed. Jerking off is also allowed during break periods. Lube and napkins in the break room. Kinda reminds me of that video that was floating around with those two dudes fucking in the Congress room. They didn't get charged. They probably should have. But kind of shows how fucked up we are in government right now, just kind of letting the borders wide open, letting people fuck in the congressional areas, the Senate building. Green pies for lunch. Dude, do you think I saved the video? It was out everywhere. The guy was doing them from behind with a camera in the back, and they were in the Senate building. And it was a White House staffer that was in a commercial with Biden at one point. Just take a look. Just look for it. Of course, I saved it. I mean, if it was a dude and a chick, I might save it for a highlight reel. But two dudes, I don't know. But then again, gay people are probably a significant portion of my audience at this point, because you keep sending them over here. So maybe I should play to my audience. The Lewinsky Hall. Man, we gave Clinton so much shit for getting his dick sucked. But those were decent times. We had a balanced budget. The internet was cooking up. Everything was going well in those days. But I was younger then, so I was oblivious to a lot of things, but it felt better. God damn it, Baidu's gonna fucking... Jesus Christ, I'm gonna lose 2 different waves today. That's fucked. So we have NASDAQ going up higher now. Jesus Christ, dude. You get lost twice on camera? Three times if CELH does its thing. Let's see what CELH is doing. So odds are that this thing's gonna be fucking around for a while, and then this is gonna happen. But we'll see if that's before or after it wipes below and continues higher. Oh, the day could still be salvaged if CELH breaks above the high. Sorry, if AbbVie breaks above the high and goes up here. And then I'll get stopped out on Baidu. Baidu's too strong right now. Stop here. Yeah, it's kind of gained a level at this point, so... Break below, we have... I guess it could retest it still. Because it just had to break up above, so it needs to, I mean, it could do anything, but ideally it should come back down here. It might have done that on a lower time frame. Yeah, but I think it still might do it again. So either that, or this happens. And we want the second one to happen. Well, if we don't get much movement, I might as well just stop the stream and then discuss the fucker tomorrow. Coddle, hey! Good morning. It's a Luigi! Well, we're doing pretty good this month, but today is, today's a little bit all over the place, so we've made 2,000 bucks. Over 2,000 bucks, this week, but today, we'll have to see what happens. I have one long cooking, and I got one short cooking, and I got one for funsies. 24-hour trading stream? Oh my god, how many times would I make mistakes? I have to take a nap after just a regular trading day. I might have to turn on my cat, because I'm flipping back and forth between charts. I might miss somebody. Alright, so... Still has a level to retest. If it bounces here and goes higher, I might just have to take myself out of contention on it. And put the stop here. But if it breaks below... So we're gonna have a retest here. We're gonna have to see if it breaks below. and does this to target, or if it goes like that and then we're dead. So my historical win rate's 70%, and we just need to make sure that within that 70%, we're not fucking up so bad in our stops that it ruins the whole profit thing. That's something I'm still playing around with, because when I start losing, I start swinging for the fences. You gotta use international markets. I mean, there's crypto we could bet are on all the time. Let me see how Bitcoin's doing, actually. Man, just think, I told everyone to buy Bitcoin when it was in the 25,000s, and now it's 45. No one listens to Div. That's fine. If Bitcoin ever does what it needs to do, I'm gonna build a fortress in the mountains. I'm gonna bring hookers, and then I'm just gonna watch everyone die in a nuclear blast, and I'll laugh and say I told you so. That's extreme, but I'll do something. Get a golden visa. Are you, tell me about this golden visa. So is that something they actually offer you can buy, and then you just become a citizen there? Ah, shit. Come on, dude. Do not break the high and then immediately reverse all the way down. Oh, no. So you made a new high. They like to do this, too, where they make one more new high to screw the shorts over, and then they roll it over to oblivion. Let's hope that's not us today. That's a nasty, man. You provided so much hope in my life for the briefest of moments. Now we're getting the, red dildo in the butt. Shit, it's gonna fucking wipe us out, huh? So you made one more new high, just to wipe out the shorts. Please restore my faith in something something. Also, thank you for the follow, mwahaha. Sorry, in the morning things are so busy in the back and forth that I have to, I mean, I'm actively engaged on this, so it's hard to, Yeah, I know that there's a, like, I was looking at El Salvador, they have a, you can buy citizenship there. Of course, I don't know if Thailand's a very safe place, because it's still geographically located and somewhere interesting. Alright, so here's the moment of truth for Baidu. So right now it's doing a retest of this level. So if it breaks below, especially if it makes a low lower than this low, then it's pretty much screwed. It might try to reattempt to grab this again, but it's gonna roll over. Highly unlikely it'll be able to go back and regain But then again, you can always make a low lower than this low and then use that as a bounce point to, I mean, kind of like what happened with AbbVie, where they made a new high and now they're rolling it over. Today is a weird day, man. Why the fuck is Tuesdays and Thursdays weird? Oh gosh. Well, at this point I can't be too picky. I mean, honestly, I'll sell things to anybody if they're interested in the stuff that we have. And it doesn't really matter who's watching as long as they enjoy it, so. And you've been the biggest consistent supporter. Alright, so this is its retest. Retest after being broken down. It's an area of interest. Oh. What are we at now? We are at negative 68 bucks. Fun times, sitting around, doing nothing. Plan a trip to California, huh? Well, I don't live in California, so I'm not gonna be able to show you nothing. Still waiting for CLH to break the high again. AbbVie's a gigantic fucking disappointment. Oh, great. QCOM, huh? Let's see what you did. Motherfucker! You're a motherfucker and a half. Alright, well... Picked the wrong thing again today, huh? Maybe. Painful. Shit. Fuck. God damn it, this fucking thing. So it actually, I thought this thing was dead, but... Damn. So it actually did grab some orders and now it's moving up. So we're gonna have to back ourselves out on this one. It, retested and gained, so we're gonna have to flatten this thing out. I don't have any confidence on this one anymore. It might roll over up here, but at this point, it's gained a level. Because it broke down below. Kind of had a hesitancy. It broke up and above. It actually retested. And then it broke up and above again. I thought that this was going to kill it off, but it didn't close. It didn't close below, so... That one's... This might be dead. As soon as this hits a stop here, we're gonna have to cut it out. Of course, I like to trick you. We just have to... We have to be patient and see what happens, and that's a fucking hard thing to do. AbbVie, still not looking good, but we have at least a bounce around the area we wanted to see a bounce. Right to the line, huh? How does he do it? How does he draw lines on the screen? Fuck. Fucking QCOM, you fucking doucher. It'd be interesting to lose all 3 today. There's gotta be a lot of data that come out of that one. Bip, 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 bip. Alright, I guess we can look around and just see what's going on here. Oh, now we got a bunch of names. PCOM's a bit late. Nvidia's reversing. Let's go Baba. Baba bounced. Affirm is a nice one to play with sometime. Ah, Jesus. Why didn't this one show up? Well, I guess it's not moving. ATR has not increased, but damn, everything else lines up on this one. So you waited for the first 15 minutes and it broke through, and then it just went to target. The scanning shit really sucks, man. This thing's fucking slow as shit. I should have looked at this one early. I like to play that one. But I did look at Tesla earlier. Let's take a look at Amazon. Okay, not, so it's sweeped, and it went higher. I don't typically like to play those, unless I've been following it. Marvel... I think Marvel owes me money. Marvel's already moved. Carvana. Well, that's a nice chart. This one should have been on our list. I guess maybe because I had delayed data for NICE, it didn't show up fast enough, but this was perfect. So you waited for the first 15 minutes, you got this thing to break, it ran. This is the fucking picture perfect, put it on your refrigerator thing here, because it meets all of our criteria, and it didn't show up. I'm gonna have to review the footage and see if it ever showed up and I just missed it. But this thing should have been on our fucking list, man. Damn it. Said we're messing with this thing. And Baidu's still failing. It didn't, it tried to retest where it failed here, and now it's stuck between this level that it gained. If you want to call it a level, it's only a 15-minute chart. Let's look at the hourly. Bottoming tail. Well, still looking likely though we'll get a stop out on this one. At this point, it didn't continue. Or it's just gonna linger here. If we look at it daily, it made a low lower than this low, so it's already done what we expected it to do. It doesn't have to keep going to target, but I have my target set because that's the most likely range for a stock to go, based off of my data that I have. So I just gotta stick to it. It's possible, but it's gonna be a fight all the way down. Oh, look at AbbVie. Jesus Christ, are you finally gonna fulfill your destiny? Went right down to my, entry point. Or my, my stop point, roughly. On the, 5-minute. Well, my stop point's here, what I want to call that, my bounce point, what I wanted to have hold in order to be successful. Well, if we can get Baidu to break this low here, then we're off to the races. CLH, I'm letting run a little bit longer than we should. I have such a low share size, what I want to see it is bouncing off the 20-period moving average here. Looks like it's coiling up for a move higher, but anything can fail. So we're sitting here. Having fun. Yay. What if the US government had a stock? Well, they sell, treasury bonds. So I guess you could call those... I guess you could call that, a stock. I mean, you can still buy it on an exchange and it's still tracked. Like, they'd have different durations. Like, if I, let's see if it's gonna work this way, or I have to put it in. So, like, here I have a 10-year treasury. So, they do have what you're looking for. Yeah, those can be... Are you sure you made a mistake there? Because I think you, I think you were 100% accurate with what you wanted. Can those be gay traded? Sure, autocorrect. But yeah, you should be able to enter and exit out just like you would anything else. Here's another one that people take a look at. But there's all types of different durations. And they have, there's an aspect called the yield curve, where they take a look at the, 10-year and 2-year treasuries, and they look at the difference between the yields of the two as a predictor of recession. At least historically it's been accurate, but it's been a little bit delayed this time, and maybe it doesn't have to always happen, but they use the 10 and 2-year. Like when things are bad, you start seeing people buy up 10-year treasuries. Maybe that's how you should market my investing streams on the Gay Trader. Maybe you should. I think that's a pretty catchy tagline. And don't worry about me stealing it, because I ain't gonna use it. Oh shit, fucking Baidu. Oh god damn it. Alright, so... Oh, we got some wild back and forth here until something breaks. Well, I guess I should play a game with this thing in the background, because right now it's not doing anything. We've already been sitting here for an hour, and I haven't been exited out of anything. Baidu looks like it's getting close to ramming me, though. But it's been doing that a couple of times today. Hey, Carpet, good to see you. Have a good day. Man. Fucking Baidu, man. Yeah. I wish I did. Qualcomm instead. Carvana was an excellent one. Gonna have to see why this thing didn't show up. Everything matched what I looked for. Tesla's interesting. So it did a retest of its open price, lost it, falling back into this nebulous middle ground. Interesting for the Carvana pump. I've never actually seen anyone use it. I've seen their buildings. Their buildings are pretty cool. Boo doop boop boop ba doo boop 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 ba doo boop boop. Okay, AbbVie, we have a significant position in. We wanted to break the high and go to goal. Baidu's fucking around, and it's fucking around hard. And CELH, we're looking for a break of the high here. And then movement to goal. Let's put an alert here. This is not gonna be a very big gaining day, man. God damn it. I mean, but there was good stuff out there, we just weren't in it. Ay. Alright, I think I'm gonna pee and grab a burrito, and I think we're just gonna have to play a game and wait for some alerts to get hit in the background and close off those orders when it happens. Let's take one more look here. Baidu could still roll over, but we've gone the back and forth so many times. The prevailing trend is down, but it doesn't need to really go anywhere today. We want AbbVie to break this high. It had such a constrained price movement yesterday that I want to see it run, but it's still fucking about. So that's the status of those three. I think we're okay with the stop loss not getting hit on AbbVie, but we'll have to see. Anything can happen. But it's done some pretty major retests. But really pathetic day, man. This shit is not going anywhere. And I have an appointment, but it's later in the afternoon after the market closes, but I wanted to be able to take a nap before it, because I might have to be out for a bit. Man, there was good shit out there today, but I was not in the good shit. Man. Wow, Tesla again. So breakdown below. Never retested this level. I guess it kind of did. So it broke down. I guess maybe within that 15-minute bar, it could have, oh no, this is a 5-minute bar. So I would have liked to have been able to see... See, it doesn't have to happen all the time, but I would have liked to see, you know, a little bit more of a test here. But what we have here is we have a peekaboo above the high. This sell-off bar took out the last 15 minutes of price action. Had a little bit of a bounce, but if it breaks the low here, then it's gonna go here, so we'd have to see that. Fun times. Speak of the devil. Alright, CELH is broken above the high again. That's really good. It's good for me. I don't have much in it because I'm spread across 3 different names today, but I wanted to really just gather data. Man, Baidu's scared us out a few times. I have a bigger size on this one. AbbVie failed again, which is unfortunate. Still going with the moving average. It hasn't broken the trend. It's just really grinding all the way up there. It's not one of those things that just exploded that we saw like Carvana, and Carvana's a bigger one. A better one to look at. Carvana, I don't know why that didn't show up on the list. That really pisses me off. Why didn't it show up on the scans? PayPal finally having a gap down. I'm surprised that didn't happen earlier, especially with the reaction to that news. Roku had a really nasty liquidity grab before it ran. Damn. Man, those things used to get me all the time when I first started trading, was, you get that massive, what looks like a breakout to the downside, but it's just that shakeout before the real move happens. Alright. Got a little bit of something in Celsius. Well, if anything bad happens to me today, at least my Bitcoin is up quite a bit. $5.45%. Not bad. And that's a longer term hold for me. Alright, Baidu, I really need you to break down here. I need you to break below the low. Alright, as I was saying, let me go pee, let me heat up a burrito. I'm gonna play a game and kind of have the charts in the background. And if any of my alerts get hit, we're gonna close off the trade or do whatever we need to do. So let me be right back, because this is a really slow day. This is just sitting around. I would have preferred it to be like what happened on Monday, where we just got the money and got out. But not every day can be like that. Alright, be right back. Alright, let's take a look at where we're at. Alright, looks like Baidu's breaking the low here. Man, that was scary. We got AbbVie still lingering up there. It could penetrate the high, then it should run, but it's gonna be a grind. DELH. I had hopes for you. I think we should be clear on our stop. I don't think it's gonna completely roll over, but we're gonna have to pay attention to it. I mean, we got everything set up, so we're not worried too bad, right? It's just a little, just a small share size. Alright. Well, I'm gonna continue with the Final Fantasy game that we're on, Final Fantasy 1. Just kind of playing it because of the Final Fantasy Rebirth Part 2 is coming out later this month. So I just want to play an old classic, a remastered one. Alright, let me go to it. Still got the stocks in the background. So what the fuck were we doing? So we beat this, Jerk King guy, and then we got this crown. And the guy said thank you. And, I forgot what else happened. There's this Elf King here, too, that, is, like, passed out. He needs some type of wake-up juice, like a Monster Energy drink or something. Must be a concoction that can rouse one who sleeps, but where? Yeah, we have no idea. We got, like, this, crystal thing from a boss that we beat, but I have no idea what to do with it. And it's just somewhere in our inventory, or just somewhere it's saved it. Oh man, what the fuck do I do? We killed the king guy. Or, sorry, not the king, but the bad guy disguised as the king. And we got a crystal out of it. Mount Juger. There's a lot of stuff we haven't explored yet, but we can't actually get there. We have, like, this ship that's landlocked. Shit. One second, I gotta do a little bit of research here. Wish I just was able to do that on my own, but there's just too much walking around in this game. Yeah, you better run. Jeez. Got afraid of the big penis energy, huh? so buff. Whenever I can tank and only get 1 damage. Nah, man, I love these burritos. I could eat them every day. At least these guys are weak now. God damn. Okay. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. Chaos Shrine. Did I actually go there before? It's on my list. Alright. So I have the stock market on in the background in case you're wondering. But we have to just wait for our orders to get hit. And it doesn't make any sense just sitting there, so... $30, that's cheap. The other guy was charging me $100. Okay, what kind of items do I got? Phoenix Downs we're good on. We got high potions. Could use some regular potions. Oh yeah. Have you met Matoya yet? She's been having a lot of trouble ever since she lost her eyesight. She lives across the bridge, far, far to the north. Okay. Now the king was saying that we could talk to this dancing girl and she'd be giving us tips. So I guess we go there next. So I'm gonna have to drop off my ship there. It's kind of a long way. Walk. Yummy. Okay, where is this cave? Crazy horse, that's the first time I've seen one of these. Haha. Not much of nothing. Oh, that's a cave. It's not on our map. Far, far to the north, she says. This is it. What the fuck is that? I mean, is that gonna be a boss or something? Okay. It's a friendly broomstick. My eye, my eye. You got the pink eye? Can't see a blasted thing without my crystal. Oh, we got the crystal eye. Will this do? Yep, give it to me. Oh, is this the anti-sleep potion? Jolt tonic. Remember Jolt Cola? So I guess that's it. We went all the way over here just to get that, huh? So I know we're a guest here, but we're gonna steal some shit. Potion, potion, antidote. Aha! Run away! Steal all your stuff. We're horrible guests. He ran? Not a very tough guy, are you? Making our way down. Wow! That was a mighty attack from a mage. Okay, crossing the bridge. Getting back to our boat. Nice. Alright. Alright, let me pause there. Need to look at what stocks are doing. So Abby's still having a problem getting above the high here. Damn, Baidu is not broken. CELH, not good. But we do have the 20 period moving average. We have to see if this thing works itself out or not. In other words, nothing has changed whatsoever since the last time I looked at this thing. Doobie 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 doo doo. Alright. Here's your Jolt Cola. Here, buddy. Something tells me I'm not dreaming. Finally, a goddamn Mystic Key. Was there stuff to unlock here with the Mystic Key? As well? Or was it just the other place? Move! Damn! In your butt. Alright, nothing we can use Mystic Key on here. Okay, that was an important sequence of events. We're gonna save this. So the cave we were in earlier had a bunch of stuff that was left behind, That Mystic Key seal. God damn it. You always fool me with that. Good blocking. Tabby. I mean, I still like this game, even though they have this stupid mechanic here with random encounters. Yay. Alright. I know there was a couple of doors that were locked in here. Ah, oh, Jesus. The Wraith, huh? Okay, Black Mage, we need you. Oh man, they hit first, too. I guess it was a surprise attack. Please kill this. Kill these guys. Bam! What did I get? A falchion. I think that's a better sword, right? Wow. Can you wear my other one? Nope. Alright. So these might all have monsters in them. Let's heal up. Alright. Yeah, damn. There's gotta be pissed off monsters to be stuck in there for who knows how long. Boomies. Yes. Power Staff. Hello, how's it going? Just, playing some Final Fantasy in between checking my stocks. I'm waiting for my, orders to get hit. It's a pretty good upgrade there. Let's do that one. Alright, one more. Do we need anything else? Alright. Of course there's monsters in it. Alright. Good old fire. Bingo. Well, welcome aboard. Hopefully, you find something entertaining. I think we got everything in here. Was there another door? Nope. Alright. Alright, save again. Let me pause and go to the stock room real quick. Alright, so Baidu has not broken the low. It's still messing around. We do have the moving average going against it. Shoot. This is not what we wanted to see on AbbVie. But anything can happen. We do have the stop set. We have our target set. CELH, we have a stop set, we have a target set, so the only one we really need to worry about is Baidu, because I took off the, I didn't set up the stop correctly on it. I guess I could, manually add that stop. It'd be here. Could give myself a warning, just in case. So I'm not, don't get run over. Alright. Let's get back to the game. It's gonna take a while. This is one of those days that just... may as well take a nap. Alright. So I'm just waiting for any type of alert to go on in the background and swing back by it. Reduce the wolf population. Oh. Yeah, I do a mixture of stock streaming and playing games. And then sometimes in the evening I'll just play anything new that comes out. What are your hobbies? I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Ow. Get him. Booms. Alright, making our way down to this last area we need to get to. So we got a mystic key. There's a lot of things we can open with it now. Alright, so this... Bogdana, welcome. Alright, this is a really annoying place to be in. So we gotta run all the way down here. Oh, man. Don't trigger anything. Oh, gosh. Well, we're a lot stronger now, so... Man, we're really buff. So what are you into, Bogdana? What are your hobbies? Oh, geez, we got poisoned. Okay, we go in here, we go down the ladder. Alright, there's a bunch of doors here. A lot of them are sealed. Huh. Ah, jeez, can't even walk a step without getting attacked, man. Ay. Bingo. Get up there. That was a strong hit. Nice. Heal ourselves up. I think we're good enough. Move out of the way, bat. Nothing's here? Okay, we got 2 chests. Man, they're on the opposite side. I should have planned this out better. Non-optimal, walking. I don't want to get attacked by slime. I don't want to waste spells on him either. Bam! Alright. So where are we? Ah, jeez. Slime... Sliming up my life. Ran away? I don't think a slime could crawl fast enough to run away. Okay, there's gonna be monsters in here. Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna need to use some ether to regain magic points. Alright, here we go. Oh, don't be a boss. Oh, broadsword. Well, that's different. Gotten so used to, monster jump scares. Can I say the word... Okay, first I'm gonna look up what that means, just in case you're trying to, I'm gonna look that up. I ain't gonna just say random words because you tell me to. Oh. Hold on a second. Nice. I will say it for you in English, and I will say it for you in Ukrainian. First, the English word. The English version of that is cunt. And, in your language, that would be pizdek. That's why I always look these things up. Nice. Broadsword's worse than what I got? That sucks. Can I give it to the other dude? Can he actually equip that himself? Interesting. Did you go to random people and ask them to say the word cunt? Or are you saying that I'm a cunt? Which is fine too, cause shit, everyone's a cunt some days. I'm certainly a fan of cunt. The other kind of cunt. Alright. Alright. Please don't be a monster in here. Ah, Jesus. Random encounter. I'll be right back 1 second. Just a second, I heard a crash. Now where I'll get is just a book that fell over. Alright. Please don't be monsters. I think we're good to go. You? Potion. Okay. So what do we got here? We explored everything in here. These things are kind of worthless. I would have expected something a lot better for me to backtrack with the mystic key and going through all the poops that I did. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to translate what you just said right there, too. I'm so glad for, why am I sad? Am I sad? I got a smile on my face. Is that happy enough for you? It hurts to be like this for too long. Yeah, I can't do that. Fuck. Yeah, it hurts. Why is being happy so painful? And everything's easy in here now. This place was a pain in the ass earlier. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Cool. Oh, missed the staircase. Oh, that's right. This is the room with all the doors. Oh, Jesus. All right. One by one. Okay, use ether. I don't have any more? How did I not buy more? Oh no, this is not gonna be good. Ah, crappos. Great ooze. At least we got first strike. Ah, never had a chance. Open? Did this one. Open? Nothing. Fuck. Owie. Doobity boop boop boop. Oh jeez, they got me with poison. Shoot. I got antidotes. Let's use them. Somehow they snuck in poison. Alright, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Jesus. Ah. At least these guys, aren't as damage resistant, physical damage resistant as the green ones. Seems odd to me. Because they're supposed to be like the upgrades, right? Nothing. Yeah. Okay, now we got green ones. Doobie-doo, 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 doobie. Ah, God, we got another poison guy. Too bad it can't cure itself. You can't even sleep it off, you just have to get rid of it. Hey! Okay, so we did this, there was nothing in there. Oh God, there's so many freaking rooms, man. Nothing. See, now these random encounters make me sad. That's what makes me sad. Let's run into random bad guys all the time. Ow. Alright, checking my stocks real quick. Baidu's going okay. AbbVie's in a really bad situation. Jeez. 2 out of 3 are in bad situations. Gosh. That also makes me sad. Running. Up. Nope. Running. No. Nice block. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Bum, 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 bum. Eh? Oh gosh. Whoop! Oh, we gotta get rid of the spiders first. What are you doing? Spiders are poisonous. Boomies! Yes! Okay, get rid of the spiders. I think the oozes can poison you though, too. Oh, fuck! Ah, you got the AIDS. There we go. All cured. Out of the way, bat! Thank you. Nothing. Oh, going anywhere takes forever. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Did this one, that was the boss. Eh? Ooh, 1,135 bucks. I wish I could just open a random chest and find that money. In real life. Another poison, you jerk. At what point do I just say, go ahead and die? Alright. Good hits. Good hits. Boom! Man, she was pissed off. What did you do to piss her off? Well, we gotta be careful with this lady, because, if there is a boss there, we don't have any, extra magic power to give her. Alright. Ah, gosh, one step too far. Nice hit. At this point, why are people even coming up to me? I mean, I should scare them off. What? Ah, Jesus. Okay, here it is. Okay, preemptive strike, so we got the, jump on these dudes. Okay, Mage, do your thing. I'm gonna need you to burn them. I guess they're not that strong. I guess I didn't need to use that. Whoopsies! Oh, and they're strong against magic. Shit on me. That was a complete waste. Oh. Alright, gotta move back to stocks. So what do we got? We're gonna fail CELH. Baidu broke the low. Alright, you gotta go down to your target now. Abby got me stopped out, son of a bitch. Alright. So in that case, we're going to, double. What am I down then? That was a pretty bad drop. Ah, not pretty, but we'll deal with it. Shit. That's a nasty, drop there. All eyes are on Baidu now. CELH looking like it's gonna fall off the cliff. And it's interesting, too, because we got positive market. Alright, our only hope is Baidu. Let me sit up on my chair real quick. Gotta move my butt over a little bit. Definitely don't want this thing reversing. This could just be a lost day for me. And that'll happen. That sucks. So many things we could have been in, and, we went into garbage. Or what performed as garbage today. Could have been in Roku, straight to target. Alright, all eyes are on Baidu now. So I lost the all-important level that took forever to, break through. So we're looking at a target hit. Let's see if I can break even, and I'll probably take half of my shares off, because we're not doing too well today. So we're looking for a break even, 50 more bucks. $20. Okay, as soon as you can hit this, taking off half shares. Looking for you to do your thingy. Do the thing, baby. Do the thing. 48 bucks. Come on, baby. Hit my orders here. I need you. I need you in my life, baby. Hit my orders, baby. $24 left. Come on, baby. One more push. BELH failed as well. Alright, we bought Baidu, but we're off a little bit still. We're off by $6.66. that's a hopefully not a bad omen. So we're gonna lose today. Well, not really, not necessarily. If Baidu can hit target, then we're gonna be a profit, but it's not gonna be a big one. So I have half of my buying power left. Man, this is shitty. What a bunch of assholes. Baba. Baba already hit target, but it's rolling over again. But we're focused on Baidu. We want Baidu to hit target here. And we have half of our shares out of the game. Let's see if there's anything else we can scalp in the meantime, because we got partial buying power right now. So we have Tesla bucking the trend. This is a, it's gonna do a retest of the high here. It did not break this. Got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. There's gotta be other things that are out there that are better. God damn it, AbbVie, you piece of shit. That is nasty. I mean, never broke the low, but that thing would have been way too big of a drop-off for me. Okay, slight bounce in Baidu. So we're looking for target down here. I mean, the market's up today, but we're getting random shit all over the place. Okay, Baba's on Nicey. I have a little bit of delay here. PayPal's interesting. It had a gap down. We don't really see a bottoming pattern yet. If it breaks above this, if it does a break above and then retest and then goes higher, that might be a cue. Or we could do a really quick scalp on it. That's gonna be a risky one. Man, today is just complete crap. Tuesdays and Thursdays are just garbage. For me, historically. Ah, AbbVie, you son of a bitch. And you, CELH. Broke below the open, swipe liquidity, could go up from here. Do I want to do a scalp on this or not? Possible could want to come up here and do a retest up here and fail. The fact that it rolled over like this, I don't see much of a room for it to move up higher. But we're also in the low volume part of the day too. We just got done with the The European market closed, and now we're at almost lunch hour. Yeah, I guess we wait for PayPal to break up and above and do its thing. That could be a possibility. Shit, Baidu's reversing already? God damn it. Yeah. mRNA is kind of scary. It moves around quite a bit. Double tap on Tesla. So I want to make an attack. Shit, I missed my chance. What am I down right now? 53 bucks. How bad do I want to tempt fate here? Okay, PayPal. Fulfilling the first issue, which is to break up and above. Okay, Baidu rolled over again. This is a 5-minute candle, too. I don't want to take too many risks today, because today is a really bad, kind of a shit day. So Roku, we broke them below the trend line. It already ran pretty hot. It does have a gap. Well, I guess this thing kind of takes care of that gap. Two minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Alright, let's see if we can get something out of this. Just a really quick scalp, quick loss if possible. See what happens. I guess it would have been best to wait for this thing to break here, so this is a little bit anticipatory on my part. Because it retested this multiple times, so this is a pretty important zone for it to hold. And if we get above this, and we gotta stop ourselves out, probably take a decent sized loss. The market's bouncing now, shit. Well, let's give it a minute. Okay, 5-minute candle complete. Here's the next one. 15-minute looks like shit, but we got this support here. We need this thing to decisively break. We're in it a little bit too early. And we don't want this to be breached. And it has a trend line going for it too. So there's a few different things that were wrong with this short. Alright, we're about to get fucked up over. Give it a second here. So it did a retest of this area again and succeeded, so I think we're fucked on that short. Alright, that's too much. Fuck. That was bad, that didn't have to happen. So what's Baidu doing? Okay, it could still save us by going to target. But it's gonna be barely any profit today. You know, I might try Roku again. Let's see if it takes out this candle. Because it is forming the same type of a pattern that the market's doing, and the 15 minute looks like garbage, but it did take us out right there. Might be worth trying it one more time. Alright, let's go back to the game for a minute. If we hit that order, I'm gonna flip over. Shit. 1,000. Two antidotes left, man. Stop getting sick. This game makes me sick sometimes. What? What? Oh. Nothing's in there? You jerk. So this is Final Fantasy 1, the remastered version of Final Fantasy 1. Final Fantasy 7 Remake Part 2 is coming out at the end of the month, so I just kind of wanted to play one of the original games. It's a really old game, so it's got some old school design things that wouldn't really fly nowadays, like these random encounters really just kind of break up the story. I mean, just like the overall progression, because these enemies just come out of nowhere and you gotta stop everything to fight them. And it happens a lot. We used to be okay with it back in the day, but now it's just really annoying. Monsters again? Man! Okay, we know these guys are strong against physical attacks, so let's not do any, magic. Okay, we got the preemptive strike. Bingo. Oh man, it took two of our biggest guys to beat that. Good to see you, Moonwatcher. What's in this one? Antidote. Well, great. Had to use some antidotes just to get up to this point. Do you love random encounters? Does make the game longer. I prefer what they did with Chrono Trigger, where you can avoid the enemies if you didn't want to fight them. You just walk around them. Sometimes it's not possible because they block certain paths, but for the most part, you can walk around them. Alright, last treasure chest. Who the heck are you? You look like a meanie. One second, gotta check my stocks real quick. Man, I got brutalized today. Okay, what's gonna go on here? Looking for a drop. Sorry, give me 1 second. I'm dealing with stocks in the background. Looking at a slight loss today. Tricky day. Okay, you're not breaking down. Alright, we'll go back to you in a minute. Okay, so... pretty good health. I don't want to talk to you right now. I want to get the treasure chest first. Anaconda. My anaconda don't want none unless you got fun, son. As the old song goes. Oh, these guys aren't very strong. I shouldn't have wasted my fire on it. Whoops. Silver armlet. Yeah, cool. Alright. Well... we can't use Cure, she's out of that stuff. We can use Heal. She's got 5 out of 6 uses of that. Okay, so we still got plenty of that. How much do we have of Mr. Black Mage? So we... oh no, we can't use Fire anymore, but we have Blizzara and Haste. Okay, I think we're good. Let's fight this guy. Hi. Oh, dude. Okay, these guys aren't bad. I thought it was a boss. I mean, if you're gonna give an enemy, like, a character like that, you'd think that'd be significant. So we got this in the bag. Boom! Dang! That was good. Alright. Sorry, I'm trading in the background. Give me a second. Waiting for something to work itself out. Ba-da-da-da. Man, my alert hit and then immediately bounced. Jeez, okay, well... he surprised me over nothing. See if we can get some movement here. Shoot. Did that at the wrong time, didn't I? I'm gonna have to flatten this out. Sorry, give me a second. I'm still, I'm battling. Yeah, fight for my life. Here, I guess we can show it. Alright, trying to get this thing to cover here. But I don't want this thing to retest up here. I want this thing to fall at this point. Come on, dude, you almost hit it. Come on, buddy. Ugh. Go down. Wow, it's taking forever. It's only a 5-minute chart, too. Stop teasing me. Baidu might be the savior today. Let's see if it gets the target. CELH was a disappointment. Come on, Abby, get down there, dude. Alright, I don't want you going up and above this. How about you put your orders, or your alerts at the right spot? Thank you. Rollover, that's 1, that's good. 2, 3, that's good. Do another one, please. Okay, do another one now. Holy smokin' molies. Oops. Oh, you're buffering? Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I am slow right now. It's on my side, it's my fault. For some reason, my, internet connection's fucked. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, it's my bad, Moonwatcher. I can see it on the, dropped frames area. Alright, so we made profit here. We got a little bit back. I don't know if this thing can clear up. Hoping my connection will clear up. Please work connection. Yeah, I can see it dropped. It's dropping frames. Alright, well, we're waiting for Roku to break down, or we're waiting for Baidu to hit my target down here. Man, my, yeah, the stream is running into some problems. Alright, I guess I'll switch to my game here. Hopefully it catches back up. Sorry. Occasionally that'll happen. So we checked every room down here. That was not worth the time investment. Ah, can't poison me a second time. With the same guy. Poisona. Okay, my connection should be good now. I'm seeing green. Let me know if, it's all good now. Saul Goodman. Oh no, come on, Baidu. Alright. Alright. So we're waiting for a breakthrough on mRNA, or sorry, in Roku. And we finally got it. It gave us a loss a little bit earlier. Trying to reduce our losses here. It's gonna be a really tight day. So again, it's having this area of support here. But this thing just took out... It's gonna be tough to call. Should probably get out of it. Let's, needs to close below here. I'm a little bit afraid this thing will turn into a bottoming tail. There is a gap to fill. If you ignore that, I guess this could be one. Man, how'd I go down so far in Roku? That's crazy. That was a nasty loss that I took. That wasn't even on my main list today. I got some points back on AbbVie. Come on. So what we want to do now with Roku having broken this level here is we want to retest, and if it fails a retest, then it's going to go lower. Market's interesting today because it's slightly up, but we have things just rolling over all over the place. I had two things that I was going long in that didn't work out. We're down $40 right now. So what do we got here? We got a bounce. Double retest. See if we can reduce this 95 loss here. We do have a tail here that's going to be kind of nasty, so we're going to make this a tight stop. Alright, let's get out of Roku. Let's see if we can just get this out of profit. I don't want to have to manage too much right now. Alright. Okay, Celsius down. So, broke up and above. Retested. My expectation is to run higher, but let's see. Higher for a quick scalp, not like the rest of the day type of thing. And we'll go back to the game in a minute. Ah, jeez Louise. So we had a retest in Roku. CELH is stuck. It's not hitting my order. Price ladder is suggesting higher. Where's my Baidu? Here's my Baidu. This is the thing that's saving our butts today. I'm not gonna allow this thing to get too much ahead of me, or roll over on me. Okay, CELH positive. Or, sorry, see if we get a little bit more out of her. On the road to break even today. What a waste of time today is. Not one of those days where we get out in an hour. Oh, interesting. So we were watching PayPal. It rolled over. Never regained. It looked like it might regain this time. Kind of curious about, yeah, it's a nice breakout. Alright, CLH has been covered. Or, sorry, closed off. Okay, kind of a waste of time playing that one. Still down very slightly, 35 bucks. We could make that up in a lot of different places. I kind of like to get Roku. Man, I can't believe we let this thing go against us so bad. So what are we looking at on Roku? This is a retest of the level that it lost. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Moonwatcher, if you're still here, let me know if everything is going good for you. It looks like it's fine now. In regards to the stream. Man, AbbVie is such a painful loss today. Just that it had everything going for it, and now it's just completely busted up. Lost the moving average. It's gonna lose the open. I may not wait for Baidu to go to target. I might just have to just take it as a break-even trade. See if it breaks the low here, and that'll do it for us. There's just been too much that has gone wrong today that I don't want to take a loss. Come on! Taking too much of my time. Alright, what do we want to do here? So the thing closed, this is a new candle. We can do 300 shares with a tight stop here that it lost. Alright, tight stop. Alright, PayPal going down. Alright, covering. If we can. I'm not gonna lose this bar on it. Roku is not rolling over. So it did its retest. It hasn't completely broken. We want it to break this. Alright, Roku. Or sorry, Baidu. Alright, give me a little bit more here. We're almost at target anyway. Okay, Roku rolled over. I think that's what it is, right? Yeah, it's a rollover for Roku. Alright. So I'm gonna take this off. We still have the stop there. Let's see if we can get this buy order in. Okay, Roku, one lot off the table. I don't want this broken. 2 lots off the table on Roku. We still got 1 lot left. Should be able to get profitable on this one, because this thing kicked our ass with just 300 shares. Need to watch Baidu really closely here. We are positive for the day now. But let's watch Baidu really closely here. It's quite the bottoming tail. We haven't seen that one today. The candle's still being created, though. Got 2 minutes left. I am not losing this bar. See what's going down in the lower time frame. Yeah, that's not great. I should get this a little bit tighter. So I'm not gonna lose this bar. We're gonna flatten out. We're lucky to be profitable today because everything went wrong. Okay, everything is a little bit hyperbolic because we are profitable, so obviously something had to go right. Alright, so we did a swing up and grab some liquidity here. Let's see if it closes above. If it closes above, we're gonna flatten out. We got 3 seconds left. Alright, what's it gonna be, buddy? Didn't work. Still have another chance at it, but we're forming the next candle right now. Alright. So, still safe there. What's our Roku at? We still have 100 shares left on it. Alright, Roku's gonna take us out profitably. Here we go, you stupid punk. Here, give me. Gimme, 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 gimme. Man, you caused me so much damage earlier today, punk. For nothing, I only wanted a scalp and you didn't give it to me. Come on, baby. Baby, baby, please, baby, please, baby, please, baby, please, baby, please. Alright, still going down here. Baidu saved our butts today. Celsius rolled over. Come on, Roku. Jeez Louise. Oy, 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 oy. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah, we should roll over. There we go. That's good enough. Come on, give me profit. Booyah! Alright, so that's corrected. Now we move our sights on Baidu. If Baidu breaks this line, we're out. We're on the 1 minute here. Could see a 1 minute level forming. Currently we're up 185 bucks. So we are gonna eke out a gain today. But, you know, we've been doing this for 7, 8, 2.5 hours today, so a bit longer than I would have wanted to play in the market. Still waiting on Baidu to target or break above here. Okay, we got our alerts ready. Let's get out of that Mystic Cave. And we're just gonna let the market do what it wants. Alright. Going to the exit. Oh, who's poisoned again? Dang. Okay, run to the exit. Oh, man. I wanna go home. Let me go home. I wanna go home right now. They're gonna paralyze me, huh? Oh no. Good job, girly, with your aiming. Man, we even make zombies get scared. We're just that buff. Never seen zombies run away from people. Okay, up the ladder. Marsh Cave, basement level 1. Damn. Oh, the strong girly. Yay. Alright, let's save this. So now that we have the Mystic Key, what we need to do is we need to go back to our king guy that we met in the beginning. And he has a bunch of stuff in his room. Alright, what's the market look like? We're at 172, so we're down a little bit from my last update. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out, but we're gonna be profitable today. Today was a really tough day. Yesterday was a tough day as well. Not gonna quite make as much as yesterday, but we survived Thursday, and that's good enough for me. Another random encounter for Moonwatcher. got him. Hopefully I'm actually doing something with all these bodies that I'm killing, like, use them for either food or making, like, a nice pelt. Hopefully I'm not littering the forest with a bunch of bodies. Pretty reckless. Alright, looking at the stock market again. About to get stopped out here. Alright. Boom. That would be it, folks. Big bottoming tail on Baidu. What are we at today? $152. Damn, that last push-up took a bit off of us. I don't think Baidu's gonna get its goal today. Man, today was a harrowing journey, man. We're at least profitable, but look what happened. We had split up our resources across a few different groups here. Might be able to get positive in Celsius. I almost traded Tesla. Roku we got positive in, and it filled in the gap that we expected it to do. Alright, let's get back to the castle, and then I'm gonna save and then wrap it up for today. So you got to see a pretty interesting... Where the hell's my boat? Boat's on the other one. You got to see how I operate in these circumstances. I think we did about as well as we could. Might have been better off scalping on certain areas today. Alright, we're good and healthy. Man, we must have so much money now. 37,000 bucks. Get out of here. Wow, that mage almost killed that guy by himself. Battle mage. Oh! I missed my boat. Ambushed by mermen. Ba-da-ba-da, boo-dee-dee, ba-da-bee, ba-da-boo-dee-dee, ba-da-ba-doo. Up the channel. Up! I just had to go backwards, didn't I? You missed? How do you miss with a big cane? You can spin around blindfolded and hit something with that thing. Alright. Got the castle. Do I have to talk to the king? Alright, well, don't need to be in here. There is locked doors in here, so let's visit those. Nothing there. Is this one of them? No. Alright, we need to go up and around. Okay, time to open the doors. Saber, mithril knife, cottage. Tent. Armor. What is this? Oh, we need that powder for the dwarves. So we got a place to go to now. The next phase of the story reveals itself. Anything else in here? Nope. Alright, cool. We got what we need. Let's save it up. Alright, let me see. Where's that, dwarf cave? Mount Durgar, I think. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Let's go back to the stocks real quick. So today was really kind of crappy. Let me move my butt over. So we managed to make it out alive with the 152 bucks. We were in long on a couple of different names. One of them was AbbVie. It rolled over, unfortunately. Took out our stop. Kept rolling over. It hasn't broken the open yet, but it almost has. This thing is dead for the day. Baidu was our main play. This one actually did work out. I'm kind of glad that we split our shares, our buying power across different names today, because things were kind of all over the place. Celsius also rolled over. I thought that it would be able to hold up here because it retested, but it died. Still might be able to bounce here with the 15-minute, 20-period moving average. Got into trouble with Roku. It took out like 150 bucks of our stuff here when we thought it was going to roll over. Did a retest and failed, then it rolled over. We got it all back, plus 5 bucks. I might trade again, but I also have an appointment in a few hours, so I want to take a nap. Trading kind of, you're focused on it pretty hard, kind of gets tiring, especially when like you're really focused, but then like nothing happens for a while. So we definitely didn't get the $1,500 in 30 minutes like, what was that, Monday? And then Tuesday we did pretty well too, 700 or something. But today is just a little one, just to survive. Oh man, anyway, I'll keep doing these streams as long as I get comments and likes on the post, because it does take effort to stream it and narrate what I'm doing. Games I'll do all the time, because that's part of the thing that I do, but trading's an extra thing that I have to make money with, so it takes effort to do that. Anyway, I think we're done. Although, you know, Baidu we kind of manually exited. I wanted to see it hit the target here, but it may not. But we'll see. Anyway, that's it. That's gonna wrap it up today. Thank you for joining me. Good to see people. But I am tired now, so we're just gonna survive today. Bye-bye! Hey, thanks for subbing, Skylar. Sorry you came in at the end, but hopefully we'll see you next time we stream, and let me know what you want to see. Yeah, sorry about that. I traded earlier today. I get up early in the morning. Here, I'll come back real quick. Sorry about that. Yeah, I trade really early in the morning because that's when the market opens, and then I try to switch between a game and trading. You can take a look at some of those older streams to see how we did this week. We're up over 2,000 bucks. So if you want to learn how to trade, might be something to take a look at. Also, play games, collectibles, all kinds of stuff like that. Usually I stream on Twitch, but I want to kind of broaden things out, so I'm live streaming on both YouTube and Twitch now. Usually just left YouTube for highlights and stuff. But, getting traction on YouTube, so I like to do that more often. Anyway, if you want to drop a comment on what you'd like to see, or what interests you, we can try to focus on that as well. But Skylar, good to see you come in at the end. I gotta lay down though. These things, trading really takes a lot out of you when you're like fully concentrating like that. Ooh, man, what a day. Alright, see you later. Now, Prego Betty's right at the end.